Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami crane in the heart. For this I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the cross crease and then a plus crease. Now bring all the 4 points to the center point to create a blintz base. Now turn the model and create a cross crease. It will make your next step simple. So now collapse the model into water bomb base. Now holding the model like this, bring two sides to the bottom point. This was a pre-creasing. Now we have to open one flap and lift one layer of paper and collapse it as shown. Do the same thing on the other side. Bring the sides to the center crease by lifting only the one flap on the top. That means two layers of the paper you'll be having there. Now do the petal folding as shown. Bring the sides to the center crease once again. Now pull out one layer of paper like this and flatten it. Do the same thing on the other side. Now bring this tip to the center point and make a crease and tuck it inside the flap as shown. Now lift one flap up and align with the bottom flap and make a new crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. This was a pre-creasing. Now you have to open the flap and fold it as shown. Same thing on the other side. It's almost done. Now turn the paper and fold the triangle down to create a curve shape for the heart. and give the finishing to the crane by doing the head portion. Origami crane in the heart is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.